I'm in a Honda NSX. Next to me is a Nissan GTR. I've got a 3.5 litre twin turbo V6, 2 electric motors at the front, 1 at the back, and a combined 581 horsepower. He's got a twin turbo V6 with 570 horsepower. We're going to have a drag race.
For more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted of any new uploads.
Good start there, the electric motor's doing their job. A bit ahead of the GTR. It just has no lag when you lift off the brake. It just goes because of the electric motors, and that's the win.
So, what exactly happened? Well, the £150,000 Honda NSX covered the standing quarter mile in 10.8 seconds, while the £84,000 Nissan GTR took 11.2 seconds.
Right, now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour, so here's level with me. I'm going to count him in, and we're locked in third gear. Then we're going to floor it. So let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, instant pickup there! It's those electric motors and a bit more torque. I have got, whoa, 646 newton meters. He's got 637. But the big difference are those electric motors, once again, instant torque. Takes off straight away. Final challenge, a brake test from 70 miles an hour. I've got common ceramic brakes. He has normal steels. See what happens. Full emergency stop when I hit the cone. Oh, it's close. It's very close. Oh, very close. But yeah, you can see for yourself. Nissan GTR just broke in a slightly shorter distance.
If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it and subscribe to our channel. Click on the link below the video to go to carwow.co.uk to see how much you can save on a new car, and on the video windows for more races.